Welcome students at CPHS&C Process Colony Texla. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start chapter 11, Introduction to Organic Chemistry from class 10. Learning objectives. Students should be able to interpret and use some of the terminologies associated with organic chemistry.
Now, no other element exhibit the catenation property to the extent to which a carbon compound can show. But silicon can show the catenation property, but only up to a 7 to 8 atom until highly reactive. On the other hand, carbon can stable and form a strong bond. Now, let's see the second reason for the formation of compound. The second reason is since a carbon has valency of 4, it can share its electron with 4 other carbon atom or 4 other monovalent atom. Now, it can share its electron from oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur or other halogens. Now, these elements give it a specific property which are affected by these elements and also by the carbon molecule. Again, the bond formed by the carbon is exceptionally strong with the other elements. Now, this is because of a small size of carbon atom. Now, this helps the nucleus to hold on the shared electron very strongly. Now, the bond formed by the atom, which are larger in size, are always weaker. Now, we have clearly understood by the carbon and its bonding. We know it can share its 4 electron with the other of carbon atom or other element. Now it is entirely depend upon carbon with which element it can want to share its electron and how many electron it want to share. So keeping all these factors in mind, we are going to naming the carbon compound on the basis of their bonding. Now we will start these naming but seeing different factors which affect the naming. Now keeping all these facts in mind, let's name these compound. So we are going to see how we name the prefix on the basis of number of carbon atom present in a compound. So let's draw a table. Now here we have a number of carbon atom and the prefix. Now when the carbon change has only one carbon atom, we add the prefix med. For 2 we have it, for 3 we have prop, and for 4 we have but. Now after a 4 carbon atom, we follow the same pattern we follow as in naming of geometrical shape like pent for 5, hex for 6, hep for 7, oct for 8, non for 9, dec for 10, and so on. So we have got the prefix, and next we need suffix to complete the name. The selection of suffixes depend upon the type of bond the carbon compound has. Now there are 3 types of bond. The first one is all the carbon compound having a single bond between carbon atom, and it is called as alkane and has a suffix of "ane". Now the second type is the compound having double bond between carbon atom. Now it is called alkane and has suffix of "ane". The third type is the compound having a triple bond between carbon atom and has a suffix of "ine".